Guys, we actually just hit 13,000 subscribers on this channel, and I'm so excited because this April 2025 makes it exactly 3 years that I started this channel as a 17-year-old guy who was uncertain about what to expect on this journey. And now, just 3 years after, we've hit 13,000 whooping subscribers. Like 13,000 humans decided to subscribe on this channel and decided to join this community. And if you are one of the subscribers, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for being here. It's been a journey, especially if you're an OG that has been here right from the time, maybe right from when I had just 100 subscribers back in April of 2022. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Thank you so much for being here. And so we are in a celebration mode because this calls for celebration. In this video, I'll be giving out some of my design resources. I'll be doing giveaway, right, on some of my design resources, and giving them for free. That's my design resources. I'll be giving some design resources for totally free, and then I'll be giving away discounts on some of my products, just to celebrate you for being a part of this community, for being a part of this family. I'm going to see you in the video. All right, so like I said, 3 years ago, 17-year-old me just wanted to start a YouTube channel because I had been teaching people design, right, smartphone design. I taught a couple of persons, and I just felt like I think I will be able to actually impact more lives on YouTube. And I was uncertain. Trust me, I watched a whole lot of videos. I can't even count. I've lost count of the number of videos that I watched. I watched a whole lot of videos on how to grow on YouTube, on how to get views, on how to grow the subscribers, how to do this and do that. I watched a whole lot of videos. I was still uncertain. The push from my brother actually made me start, and this is shout out to Aquila FX, right? That is his name on YouTube. That is my brother, right? Mobolorunduro, Taiwo, Femi. Thanks so much for your support. Thank you so much for pushing me, and thank you so much for the constant motivation. Thank you so much for the constant support and constantly just encouraging me. Because if not for him, starting this channel might not have been possible, at least as at the time when I started, because he actually gave me the motivation I needed. And at every single point where I have to talk about the channel, you would notice that, if you follow me on other platforms, you will notice that I always tag him, I always mention him, because without him, the story of starting this channel would not be complete. And then also I got support too from Promise Sebastian. I remember I reached out to him. That was in 2022 when I wanted to start the channel. I reached out to him because he was creating similar videos to the kind of videos that I wanted to be creating. And so I reached out to him then, and I was like, please, can you help me with settings for your I asked him questions. And the interesting thing is that prior to then, we were not talking, we were not close, we had not chatted before. So, but then I just messaged him on Facebook then I was like, oh, please, can I message you on WhatsApp? Can we talk on WhatsApp? I need your guide, maybe how to screen record. Not really how to screen record, but I wanted to know the software was using that won't make the video too large. I actually just asked him for some guide, asked him for advice, that should advise me. And then I think his name on YouTube now is Pro Graphics or iMobile. Then it was iMobile Graphics, but I think now it's Pro Graphics. I'm not really sure. But then thank you so much. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the support and all. It's been a journey, and it's been a really interesting journey, with challenges, with wins, with results, with money, with revenue, with losses, right? With investments, invested thousands and thousands and thousands, and even dollars, and getting equipment and all of that. It's been a journey, and I'm just so grateful to God and grateful to you all for watching my videos, for supporting the channel, and for just always commenting, liking, sharing the videos. Even for like a whole month, if I don't post for a whole month, YouTube will still tell me that okay, I got this number of shares, like 40 something shares, and all of that. I'm like, I didn't post anything, right? But then thank you so much for your support. Whether you're a new subscriber, you just joined us recently, or you've been a part of this family right from time, or you joined us along the way, thank you for being here. Like I said, I'm going to be giving away some design resources for free. All you have to do is just to join the Telegram community on Telegram, right? I mean, if you've not joined, I think about 3,500 plus people are already there from this channel. So just check the description box of this video. You will see the link to join that Telegram community. Just join there. It's a group. Join there. It's specifically for this channel, right? When you join there, you are going to get the details and how to access the free design resources there. I mean, some of these resources I'll be sharing some of them are actually paid, right? They are things that people have paid to get from me, but then just to celebrate you for being here, I'm going to give out some of them, just a little part of them, right? But then I mean, it's still going to really help you. I'm going to be giving them away on the group. I'm going to be giving you access to them. Now, if you want to have access to all of the resources, you are not going to pay for it, right? But then I'm also giving out discount in light of the celebration. I'm giving out discount on my product, on some of my products. If you check the description box of this video, you are going to get details, or check the comments, you are going to get details on how to maximize that. But let me just mention it, and you can get my the recordings to my mentorship class, right? SGDM, smartphone graphic design mentorship class and master class, SGDM. And this class is packed. I mean, I had before I stopped, because I had to take a break from social media. I had to take a break from social media. That was in December of 2024. So currently, I'm not active on my social media platforms. But before then, 2024, 2023, 2022, within these 3 years, I hosted 5 editions, because I don't always host it. I just host it once in a while, right? And because I mean, it's a whole lot of responsibility, because I always like to invest my energy. But then you can access the recording for the last edition. That edition was so packed. It covered different kind of design, smartphone design, right? It covered different kinds of designs. It covered brand identity design with smartphone, how to use Pixel Lab, BZ2, I mean, all of that, right? It covers even how to create content as a designer on LinkedIn, how to build your personal brand on LinkedIn, how to Upwork, right? How to maximize Upwork. Now, it's so packed. Just check the description box of this video. You can go through the seller page, just go through all of these things you'll be getting. I can't start listing them. It's a whole lot. It's plenty. So I can't start listing everything, because it's just going to take time unnecessarily. But just check the description box of this video. You can access it. It's 15,000 on the seller page, right? I mean, ideally, right, even though people that registered the last edition, they registered for 20,000, right? But then you can get it for a lesser price. I think the discount is 10,000, right? Instead of 15,000 that people have been getting it for, that's for the recordings, right? You can get it for 10,000, right? The details are just going to be in the description box below, and how you can maximize it, how you can take advantage of this discount. See, I want you to take advantage of it, because you will not always get the opportunity to actually get it for this price, and also share with as many persons as you know, whether they're interested in design or not, right? Because you never can tell. But then I think particularly share it with people that you think are interested in design. Maybe people that want to start their design journey, but then they don't have a laptop and they feel like that as well. I started my design journey with just my smartphone. I started this channel, video on this channel with just my smartphone. All of the tutorials you see, I use my smartphone if you watch them, right? So I mean, I don't know what else, what other proof you are looking for to know that your smartphone can create magic, like mind-blowing magic, right? I mean, I think if I've not uploaded a video, one of these days I'm going to upload a video talking about how I got jobs, I got gigs, even as a smartphone designer. I bought my first laptop, got my second laptop, and it has just been a journey, right? But then that's not what this video is about. So just take advantage of that discount. Also, a discount will also be available. So actually what we talk about that is because if you get the recordings of that mentorship class, you are going to get access to almost all the design resources that I have access to. Almost all, almost everything, right? You are going to get access to them because I share it there, right? I share design resources. In fact, you are going to get access to the paid for free. You get access to my paid design resources group, right? Where people actually pay to join, right? So you're going to get free access to that if you get the mentorship. It has always been like that, right? I always give my students, my mentees, all of that. I give them my students actually, I give them free access to that, those resources, like crazy resources, 3D resources. It's just a lot. I can't start listing them. Then you can also have access, you can also get discount on my self-paced course. Now this is different from the masterclass, but this is a self-paced design course. It is cheaper, and it is cheaper, and that shows that it is not so much it doesn't have equal value with the mentorship class. The mentorship class is very detailed, like but it goes beyond just design. It goes into content creation and all of that. It's just so detailed, and it is specifically for smartphone designers and for designers. So but then it goes beyond just creating designs. It goes into client acquisition. It's a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Just go through the seller page and go through all you'll be getting. So but then I just needed to chip it in because some persons too have been getting both the self-paced course and getting the mentorship class. If you want to get both together, or if you want to get both, you can also get discount on both, right? Just check the description box below. All the comments, the details are going to be there. The coupon code is most likely going to be attached on the screen. So the coupon code to use is going to be on the screen to actually just take advantage of the discount giveaway and just maximize the offer. Once again, thank you so much for being here. This is 13,000 subscribers. I see us eating 100,000 subscribers. I see us eating 20,000 subscribers, 50,000 subscribers, and I can't even wait. Stay subscribed and then share this video with as many persons. Let them join the family, let them join the community. We are still open to getting more persons in this community, so ensure that you share this opportunity with them, share my videos with them, and let it impact even more lives. I'm going to see you in our videos. Thank you once again for always watching the videos. I'm going to see you in the next one.